Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to introduce you with at words. So today we are going to write at words. There are 5 pictures which are related to the at family. So now we are going to write their names in front of these pictures. Okay, tell me which picture is this? It is hat. At hat. So first we will write hat, hat. Now which picture is this? Fat. At fat. So we will write at fat. Which picture is this? It is a mat. At mat. So we are going to write at mat. At mat. Okay. What is this? It is a cat. At cat. At cat. What is this? Rat. At rat. So we are going to write at rat. Rat. At rat. So we are done with our at family. Okay students, now your assignment is this, that you people have to learn the spellings of this at family, and after learning spellings you people have to match the picture correctly with at words. And now I am going to introduce you with an family. So today we are going to write an words. There are 5 pictures related to the an family, and now we are going to write the names in front of these pictures. Okay, tell me which picture is this? It is a pen. Pen. Okay, let's write and pen. Okay, now which picture is this? It is a fan. And fan. Let's write it. And fan. What is this? It's a can. And can. Okay, let's write it. And can. Okay, which picture is this? It is a man. And man. Okay, let's write and man. Okay, which picture is this? What the boy is doing in this picture? He is running. So we will write and ran. ran. Okay, after doing this ant family, students, now your assignment is this. You have to learn the spellings of the ant family, and you people have to match the picture correctly with ant words. And now I am going to introduce you with art words. There are 5 pictures related to the art words, and we have to write their names in front of them. Okay, let's start writing their name. First of all, tell me which picture is this. This is a cot. 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 Okay, let's write cot. C O T. Cot. Cot. Next picture is of pot. 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 Okay, let's write pot. P O T. Pot. 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 This is the sign of not. 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 Okay, let's write not. O T. Not. 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 Okay, come on this picture. This picture shows the hotness of the tea, so it is hot. Let's write hot. H O T. Hot. 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 Which picture is this? It is a dot. 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 Let's write dot. D O T. Dot. Okay, students, now we are done with art words, and now your assignment is that you people have to learn the spellings of this art family, and you people have to match the picture correctly with art words. So read these words with the help of phonics and match them with correct pictures. Thank you.